A tool bag is a simple way for dealers to secure their most needed tools and accessories in a single location. In this review, the This Old House Reviews team outlines the 5 best tool bags on Amazon and how they perform during our in-depth testing process. There are many products available to choose tool bags, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tool bags from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Doall 33 Pocket Tool Bag. This affordable Doall tool bag features a large zipper and spacious interior that make it a great option for any handy homeowner. The 33 Pocket Tool Bag has a combination of interior and external pockets to store and organize your tools and accessories, and the product is equipped with abrasion-resistant rubberized feet to help extend its life. What customers are saying. Positive reviews centered around the tool bag's heavy-duty design that includes stitched handles and pockets. Additional positive reviews complimented the product's large storage space. Negative reviews mentioned the poor quality of the tool bag's included shoulder strap, with some customers saying it broke after a few uses. Our experience. This Doall tool bag was one of the top-performing products we tested. Despite the product's rugged design that made opening and closing its compartment difficult, the tool bag excelled in every one of our testing categories. Number 2. Klein Tools 14 Tool Backpack. Coming in a backpack design, this tool bag conveniently stores 14 tools and additional accessories with its 39 multi-sized pockets. The tool bag features 2 carrying handles for spot-to-spot movement and a molded bottom to pad the tool bag and its contents from impact shocks. Additionally, the tool bag offers a unique molded front pocket for securing fragile items and contains a bright orange liner for quick tool identification. What customers are saying. Satisfied customers mentioned the product's easy-to-carry design, with many stating that it took the stress off of their hands and made transportation a comfortable experience. Unhappy customers mentioned the product's unreliable zippers and said that they had difficulty zipping them after continued use. Our experience. Despite this tool bag's scratch-prone exterior, it was a top-performing product that proved its durability during the mobility and drop tests. Its hard rubber bottom, while adding a bit of weight to the tool bag, helped the product withstand repeated impacts during testing. Additionally, the backpack's orange interior helped simplify the process of storing and unloading tools. What I like about it. 39 pockets. Ballistic weave. 6 pounds when empty. Limited lifetime warranty. Number 3. Carhartt Legacy Tool Bag. Made of durable polyester, this lightweight Carhartt tool bag provides the right amount of storage space with 17 exterior pockets and 10 interior pockets. Its triple-stitched pockets, internal metal frame, and abrasion-resistant base give it a durable design that's built for most working conditions. Additionally, the tool bag is available in brown or black to fit your style preferences. What customers are saying. Positive reviews raved about the product's sturdy metal frame and high-quality stitching. Other satisfied customers commented on the bag's pockets that offered enough space for several tools. At the time of this review, the tool bag received just a single 1-star review, which described a customer's frustration at receiving a stained bag. Our experience. Despite the lack of padded feet on this bag, it consists of the material and stitching necessary to last for a while. While this bag tied with the Milwaukee heavy-duty canvas Contractor bag for the most visible scuffing during our drop test, Number 4. Custom Leathercraft 43 Pocket Tool Carrier. This tool bag from Custom Leathercraft has a unique open design that gives serious dealers instant access to their favorite tools without the hassle of zipping open compartments or unbuckling flaps. This tool carrier offers 43 pockets and has a box-shaped design that keeps its frame upright while you work. Additionally, the tool bag comes with a detachable shoulder strap and a plastic compartment tray for convenient transportation and storage. What customers are saying. Positive reviews focused on the tool bag's spacious design, with some customers saying they could fit all of their tools in the bag with room to spare. Additional positive reviews centered around the bag's convenient shoulder strap that decreased transportation stress. Negative reviews described frustration over the size of the tool bag, which many customers said was smaller than described. Our experience. This custom Leathercraft tool carrier was able to carry a variety of tools with ease and comfort, despite not having a suitable compartment for a hammer. When we performed the durability test, this tool bag tied for second with the Klein tools and Carhartt models. Number 5. Milwaukee Heavy-Duty Canvas Contractor Bag. This compact tool bag from Milwaukee can carry nails and other small accessories in its 6 exterior pockets and provides adequate interior space for a few hand tools. Weighing just under a pound, this tool bag is the lightest product in this review, making it a great tool carrier for small tasks around the home. Additionally, its one-compartment design gives you quick access to your tools, removing the time needed to search for stored items. Our experience. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.